Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white sauce pasta with garlic cheese bread. I mean, who doesn't love a good pasta, right? So let's get started. First we'll start by boiling our pasta. Here I have kept some water to boil. To this we'll add some generous amount of salt, a bit of oil and then add our pasta. Here I have taken macaroni pasta. You can use penne as well. Cook this according to the package instructions. Mine took about 10 to 12 minutes to get done. Once it is done, take it out and drain it and rinse it in cold water. And then add a bit of oil and toss it so that it won't stick to each other. Next, let's move on to sauteing our vegetables. First, add some butter and olive oil in a pan and then add chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Make sure not to let the garlic brown. Next, add diced onions and saute till it starts turning translucent. Then add red capsicum, broccoli and sweet corn. You can add any veggies of your choice. Now saute it on a high flame for 2 minutes. You can add a bit of salt to fasten the cooking process. Now make some space in the middle and add some all-purpose flour and cook for 2 minutes until the rawness of the flour is gone. I'm not making the bechamel sauce separately as it is an instant recipe. So once the flour is cooked, add hot milk directly to it and cook until it starts thickening. Now we'll add some salt, some dried oregano, chilli flakes and a bit of mixed Italian herbs and mix it. Now we'll also add some black pepper powder and mix it well. If the sauce seems thick, you can always add a bit of milk to adjust the consistency. Now we'll add our cooked pasta and mix it. Lastly, add some grated processed cheese and turn off the flame. It is completely optional. If you don't want it, you can leave it out. Now let's move on to making our garlic cheese bread. So first we'll start by preparing our garlic butter. For this I have taken some soft salted butter. To this I'm gonna add some dried mixed Italian herbs, some chili flakes, dried oregano and heaps of finely chopped garlic and mix it well. Now take 2 bread slices and spread a generous amount of garlic butter on one side of each bread. Then place a slice of cheese on one bread and cover it up with another. Apply the same butter on top and roast it on a tawa until both the sides turn golden brown. You can also make this in a sandwich grilling machine. once it is done, take it out. Now serve this with the creamy pasta that we made earlier and enjoy. Bon appetit! I hope you like this video and give a thumbs up. I've been wanting to share this recipe with you guys for a very long time, ever since my bestie made this for me when we last hung out. So I hope you like this recipe and give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do subscribe and share. Until next time, see ya!